Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. If you're stopping in for the first time, I am Corey, and this is Driveway Demons. I got a really awesome video for you guys today. I took a fellow Red Eye owner for a ride in my Red Eye, and his reaction is priceless. Now, before we get to that, I have to move the Charger Hellcat out of the way so I can get the Red Eye out of the garage. All right, so we gotta cold start the Charger to get it out of the way. Yeah, it's very windy out here today, guys, but that sounds awesome, like it always does. The Charger and the Challenger feel completely different. So if you've ever thought about both and not sure which one to get, really is a hard decision, as I've driven and owned both. Two Chargers and a Challenger as well. Okay, we should have enough room right here. Oh, now it's that time, guys. No fake cold starts here. Let her rip, boys. We're gonna stretch these legs out. Oh, God almighty, this. Okay, that's enough for me. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was insane. I don't know if you guys saw that. But I was in third gear and the car literally was sliding sideways while accelerating. Not even gonna mention the speed, guys. It's ridiculous. I'm sure you guys are gonna be screaming bald eagles and Mopar or no car after this. Let's get the window open so we can hear it better. Oh my God. Just love that. God, I can feel it in my chest. It's like unbelievable. You guys have no idea what it feels like to have 900 plus to the wheels pulling like crazy. The DA is also really good today because it's 40 degrees. The car handles great. This much power, and if you know how to go light on the throttle, you can still corner it very well. Throttle is still epic. Oh God, I love it. Oh God. Talk about smiles. Woo! Oh man. I don't know if there's anything that sounds better than that. All right, it's time to get to the actual subject of the video, which is scaring my friend Daniel in the Red Eye. He has a Red Eye as well, but his is bone stock. So I scared the living crap out of him. Let's take a look at that footage now. You guys are gonna enjoy it. He's got the wide body Daytona Charger coming. So, yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna put it in custom mode for me.
I can hear it and feel it in the exhaust. You can feel this car already. Man, I can't do that out of that. I can't make that right and do that.
But see, the tires are, even in the winter, they're still better.
Yeah, they are. That's
and I make more power too.
Yeah, amazing transformation with that. All right.
Is it fast?
Man, that hooks. Wow. That's, everybody says, before you mod the car, make sure it hooks.
Now, be totally honest.
Damn.
Even in the winter, doesn't it hook good?
I can't get that with those stock tires. No. I'm changing tires.
$300. $300.
That's crazy. Now, can you put them on the stock rims? These are,
yes.
Okay.
Yes, but these ones only come in 18, but you can get the Street S's, which go right on yours.
Okay.
The Street SS tires are more than enough for a stock red eye. Now, if you plan on making, I don't think you plan on going all out with like 1,000 yet, are you?
Nah, I'm not there yet.
Sure.
I hear a difference. Yep, it's louder.
Now, you're a red eye owner, so you know RPMs and how much they mean when you get in the red line. I've been shifting at about 42.
Really?
So none of that was peak boost. You're only feeling about 4,000.
And like I said, coming out of a regular Hellcat, getting a red eye, my eyes were like this. I couldn't even believe it. I scared my wife. I have other people drive it. They can't believe it, especially
crazy.
with the wide body. Wide body's a huge difference on that front end.
Listen to that blower.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy. I could feel those G's. It's definitely more than my car.
How do you like the sound of having a small pulley?
And it sounds great.
It's got that high pitch.
It gets there a lot faster.
Mm-hmm.
And it's got a little more of a high pitch whine. Yeah,
oh yeah.
Yeah, definitely. It's more pronounced. I can really hear it. And the other thing that is really amazing that Dodge did was that killer chiller.
Oh yeah.
It runs that air when you're running. What a difference, man. What a difference in your temperature.
Yep. And my traction control right now is in sport, which is the least amount of traction control between sport, street, and track.
Really?
And I'm still not spinning at 4,000 RPMs in the winter time.
And it's, what is it out? 32? It's 32 degrees.
30 degrees out with over 1,000 horsepower, and we're still not spinning.
Damn. Applause, brother, applause. That's great.
That was about 5,100.
If anybody,
RPMs.
if anybody questions that this is stock to not stock, forget it. This is not a stock red eye. This thing kicks ass.
How does that feel? You feel the rear end wants to break loose a little bit.
Yes, it does,
but those tires keep it
they're
planted.
holding it, and they're not loud. They feel comfortable.
Yep.
I get them, all that.
This is a 900 plus wheel horsepower Hellcat. We already know Hellcat red eyes and Hellcats demons have all kinds of traction problems. There is snow on people's roofs right now, yes. And it's the dead of winter, and it's 32 degrees out, and I'm still almost dead hooking with 1,000 horsepower. That's how good those tires are.
That's crazy.
As you guys can see, I scared the crap out of Dan, and you could clearly see he was trying to hold his composure most of the time, and he did a great job. I think it was just downright hilarious at scaring the crap out of him in the red eye. I know I've convinced him to get the Mickey Thompsons for his car, but I want to thank all you guys for watching. Be sure to check out my other YouTube channel, Circle Triangle Square. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, have a great night, and I will see all of you on the next upload. Take care, guys.